Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable followers and following on Spotify. So let's get started. Firstly, open Spotify app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on settings and privacy. After that, tap on privacy and social. Next you can see the option of followers and following. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can enable followers and following on Spotify. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.